Hey guys, just going to show a few short clips here of me shooting the gun before we go into talking about the parts and pricing and everything. But one thing I wanted to say that I forgot to put in the video is the only part of this gun that's different than any other 5.56 AR-15 is the barrel. That's the only thing special for 300 Blackout is a different barrel, but all the other parts are going to be mil-spec AR-15 compatible. Thanks guys, enjoy. Alright guys, got another video today. Just doing an overview and a build list on my budget 300 Blackout 7.5 inch build I did here. Mostly just going to go over everything, where I got it from, how much it cost. It is pretty much a budget build. I cheaped out on a lot of it, but it's ran well for me. Cycled subs and supers without an adjustable gas block. Done pretty good. So the order in which we're going is kind of all over the place. I just kind of randomly wrote it all down with the pricing. So we'll go ahead and start with the upper. It's a 7.5 inch PSA upper. That included the barrel, the handguard, the gas system, and the upper receiver itself, obviously. It was $200 on sale from Palmetto State Armory. I think you can catch it on sale pretty frequently. Next we got the Hollison 403B in FDE. I paid $195 for it new on eBay. I don't think they make it anymore, but you can still find them on eBay. Got my Olight here, 2000 lumen Odin. I paid $120 for it new, secondhand. It was still new in the box, but if you want to go buy a black one right now, I think it's like $150. They no longer make the FDE one anymore. The pistol brace is an Amazon special. It was $25. It's worked out well for me so far and worked good. Next we got the quick adjust 2-point sling. That is a CV Life I got off of Amazon for $19. Light mount, Amazon 45-degree mount. That was $14. The Reptilia CQB angle grip here. That was $22 from Primary Arms. Magpul magazine, $17. I got it from Bass Pro. The trigger is just a polished PSA trigger. That was about $35. The safety, just a PSA safety. Got it for $20. Lower parts kit. It's an NBS lower parts kit from AR-15 discounts. Got it for roughly $19. The buffer tube, spring, nut, and plate came in a kit from AR-15 discounts as well. It was $25. The lower is an Anderson armed lower. I got it from Primary Arms on sale for $35. Trigger guard is $5. It's a B5 Systems trigger guard. The ambidextrous charging handle, that was $20 off of Gunbroker. The bolt carrier group is just a PSA, $90 bolt carrier group. The suppressor is a Resilient suppressor, Simple Man, 30 caliber suppressor. It was $700 from Capital Armory, all said and done, including the tax stamp. That brings the total, if you're including the suppressor, to $1,556. Without the suppressor, it's about $856. You don't have to have a suppressor, but if you're going to build a 300 Blackout build, I would put a suppressor on it. Probably wouldn't bother building one if I wouldn't put a suppressor on it. I'll include some videos either before or after the parts breakdown of shooting this thing, but I haven't had any reliability issues shooting subs or supers, and I have a non-adjustable factory gas block, so it's done well for me. I like it a whole lot. Yeah, I'll include some videos of it shooting, and I'll link all these parts in the description that I can find. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.